so to gain energy, one of the ways to do it is to play the order board. The more you play the order board, as you can see, 5 energy. Keep playing. That's 1, 2. Now that gains you energy too. 3. Every 4th one you get 5 energy. Now what I just gained, go to the candy mixer. See, I gained extra. That's another way. By clearing the path, you get all of this. Get blueberries and strawberries and bananas. So now I'm up to 102. I want even more energy, so I go back and I keep sending out supplies on the order board. See that surprise box in the corner there? That's going to give me more items from the candy bar. There you go. 7 and 2. Five more. I'm up to 106. Just keep playing. Once I keep doing this, see, 3 and 2. Now to keep playing the order board, you have to always keep all these running. These things have to stay running all the time. You have to keep filling up. Keep filling up. Ropes. You must have nails. Must have boards. Must have hammers and shovels. Keep refilling on everything, even on the flowers. Keep refilling on your flowers too. Because all those things are what you use to fill out the order board. See, I have 5 more energy. And if I keep playing the order board, play 2 more times to get another set of energy. Got another 3 beers, 2 candies. So now I'm up to 117. Right now I can go back 9 seconds. See, now I'm up to 39 beers, 10 candies, and 4. I'm up to 147. 2 more seconds. No, 2 minutes. So I can come back to this. But I have more than enough energy to go on. So I hope this helps you guys.